how to shut down your MacBook. Now I'm going to talk you through the process, and secondly I'm also going to tell you how to shut down your Mac if it is frozen. Now if you want to shut down your Mac, you can go to the Apple logo on the top left corner, click on it, and then come down till you see shutdown. Now click on shutdown, and here you can see, do you want to shut down your computer? And if you do nothing, the computer will shut down automatically, and you have an option to reopen Windows when logging in. If you have any applications opened when you are shutting your Mac down, they are going to come up back again when you open it. But how can you shut your Mac down when it is frozen? Now, to do that, it is very easy. Look on your top right corner of your keyboard. You have a Touch ID button or probably a lock button. Hold it down for 10 seconds and then let go. Your Mac will shut down. And to restart it, just press the button once and the Mac will start up again. Now, is it necessary to shut down your Mac every time you are done with work or every time you're not using it? Definitely not. You can just put your screen down and then walk away. Why do I say that? The reason why I say that is Mac does most of the work, I would say one of its best work, when it is sleeping. What do I mean by that? Let's say you have applications that have errors, softwares that have errors, cache that needs to be cleared. Mac OS is automatically going to delete it or fix it in the background while the Mac is not being used. Why is that? Because when you're actually using the Mac and it starts doing this, the Mac is going to automatically slow down, and we don't want that. And that is the reason why when the Mac is sleeping, it is going to actually optimize itself. Hopefully this explains it all. If it has, please do make sure to like, share and subscribe.